Just one or everybody?
Just one.
I got one.
How's your afternoon going so far?
Great.
That's good.
Is this a show or is it a movie?
It is. So this is a series called called Birdy. Now on Amazon Prime. They just had the premiere yesterday, right? It's yesterday? The premiere? Oh, there we go.
I think it was in September. Yeah, you're right. It was in September.
I'll have to watch it.
I know they don't.
Right. Well, I listen. I just found out about it. But you like it?
It's good.
Yeah? Okay. I have to check it out. I'm more of like a binge watcher, so
Yeah.
I just need the whole day to just binge watch. But I'm like,
I was telling my daughters, Katie, what did I compare it to? That
Yeah, to like Jane Austen.
Jane Austen kind of thing,
Okay.
yeah. But with Jane Austen with modern music, you can't go wrong.
right? I think you guys are gonna really like the inside, and make sure you don't
Oh, I
go that
love
any
it.
tighter.
Okay.
Because it will.
You know what, guys? This is probably gonna make a better intro than the other one, huh? So, guys, we're here at the Grove for the premiere of Catherine Called Birdy for Prime Video with Eileen and Katie and myself, and it's beautiful what they've done. And we're about to go in, guys. I have no expectations, but they say it's supposed to be really good. So, see you in there. I don't know. What's that one over there, Lice? What is it?
I don't know. It looks like places to sit.
I don't know.
Hi, how are you? How are you? Good. We're offering hand massage today.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, come on in. We're offering hand massage today. Have a seat.
Sure. Why don't you guys? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.
Go ahead, Anna.
Go into your candle making. There you go.
Here we go.
Yeah. Just grab one. She'll tell you. Put those together. This might be the only. It would be an event. We don't have a little bottle of water with us, right? I wonder what they're gonna do here. All right. Thank you very much. She has to fly away now. Yeah, what's this the line for, Katie?
For her braids.
Okay, gotcha. All right, I got a phone. You got a phone. We're gonna go and get some stuff started. Okay.
We're just gonna see what else there is. Oh, okay.
All right. Go check that out, Lena. Frozen lemonade for me. Go there, go for it. Get one for her.
Hello, good sir. How are you doing today? And welcome to this house. For tea, you can always have a turkey leg. Why could I not have a turkey leg? The finest turkey in all the line. Oh, your kid looks.
Let's see. Oh, yes. Very nice. Very nice. What's this one over here, guys?
It's like they put gold on it. So she's getting some tools.
Okay. I have it on video. Hang on. I have to go to picture. Woo, they're good. Okay, all right, that's the end of our pop-up for Catherine, Birdy, whatever. Did you guys like it?
I loved it.
All right, we had a lot of fun. We got our official bracelets. We got root beer floats. I got a turkey leg, which I didn't even put a dent in. But all right, it's almost over, guys. They're about to start the show pretty soon. Notice right there. And so we're gonna start switching off now. But from the Grove via Hollywood, Franknleen, Katie, bye.